What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm riding my 2019 KTM 150 SX. I have the new Lectron Pro Series carburetor on here with the accelerator metering rod in it. I feel like I have the bike tuned perfectly. The jetting is absolutely spot on, and it is running crisp as cold titties, man. I have a few other bikes, but I've been riding the two-stroke a lot recently, and I gotta say, every time I swing a leg over this thing, it just puts a big smile on my face. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get right into it.
I'm having a lot of fun riding the KTM 150 again, man. No other feeling like holding a two-stroke, just absolutely wide open, strung out. I mean, do you hear this thing? It sounds like a freaking animal. That corner is just so much fucking fun. I'm gonna say it every time. Well, it's safe to say my warm-up laps are going great right now. Having this car perfectly jetted, and my suspension set up nice, really has me feeling comfortable and confident. This is definitely the fastest Lectron that I've ever had. I've had 3 different Lectrons in the past, and this is definitely the fastest one they've made. Bottom and top end, it just absolutely pulls from the bottom. Such good torque for a 150. Screams up top too. I'll try to hold out a gear a little bit longer. But on a small bore 150 like this, probably the best thing is the amount of just low-end grunt and throttle response that it gives you. You don't have to clutch nearly as much. You're still gonna have to clutch sometimes, of course. But like here, I'm in a 3rd gear, smooth roll-on seat bounce this thing. It just, listen to it, listen how smooth it is. It's so smooth. And then you rev it out, and of course you're going too fast for the next jump. There you go, came out of that corner, no clutch. Still not going to be anything like a 4-stroke, like a 450 or anything. But the power is just so much more usable. Smooth the whole way through and usable, man. Key word. I know my entrance is wrong because I'm sitting. I feel like I can just set myself up for it easier. Oh, almost lost my front. And when you do the sections like this over and over, you just get more trust in your tires and your dirt and yourself and your capabilities. Right side of the track, cut over. Down to second. Hell yeah, best one yet. Hell yeah. That one's better. I really like this jump here. Seat bouncing and it floats you up. Whoa. Why did I almost just go off the track? That was dumb. All right, question for everybody. Do you have a preference in sitting or standing for jumping? I know it highly depends on the type of jump that you're hitting, but jumping sitting down just feels really cool sometimes, like this. That feels cool. Sometimes you kind of have to jump sitting down if you're like full throttle coming out of a corner. It's way easier to grab the bike with your legs when you're sitting, I think anyway. I'm really tall. But yeah, seriously, this might be my favorite section. Just like coming up this jump pace and seat bouncing, it feels really cool. thrown your body weight forward. Oh, too much, Jesus. I can't even explain how much fun this thing is to just ring wide open. That Lectron Pro Series carb has this thing running absolutely titties good, and it is so much fun to ride it. I'm sitting down way too much, but I feel like I'm railing a lot of these corners this session out. Whenever you sit down, you're doing motos, it wears out your arms really fast. Like I should be standing all the way to that corner. Gotta hug those inside lines. Try to cut the track a little bit, make it shorter. Whoa! Like I should be standing braking into this. But I'm being lazy and just sitting everywhere. I think with the dry stuff, for some reason, I feel like I have more traction and I can control the bike more when I'm sitting for some reason. May or may not be true. There we go. I feel like I'm actually like laying it over in that corner.